Right, I've taken the Beetle out for a spin. Now the plan is that down here is my grandparents' bikes. So they are pretty old, and the idea is that I'm going to get them going, and then I'll go on like a vintage bike ride or something like that. But from last time I seen them, it looks like there's a massive amount of work to do, because they are quite rough, but we'll have a look, see what we can do. Right, here we go. Let's see if we can find them. They're somewhere here. I said they look rough. And there they are. Sat behind a couple of Ford Pop wheels, an old flue, and a bit of irrigation. So they are looking very rough. I think this might be a dream too far. I think what we need to do is get them out and have a look around them. Right, now I've pulled the ladies out of the shed, and she's looking rough, but it's such a cool bike. Look at those tiny little handlebars. Love those handlebars. It does look like he's been living in a swamp. Right, now we got the gents, and that one's looking just as rough. Aluminium rims on it though, so I'm hoping they might be okay, and hoping the frame's alright. If the frame's restorable, then we got half a chance to get something roadworthy, because I can just buy replacement bits. So there we go.